Is your YouTube channel feeling a bit sluggish lately? Don't worry, it's not just you. As of February 2026, the algorithm has undergone its biggest transformation yet. If you're still using 2025 strategies, you're essentially playing a game that doesn't exist anymore. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 massive updates from AI crackdown to a new way to double your revenue that you need to master right now. First up, let's talk about AI slow. YouTube is officially tired of low effort, mass produced AI garbage. Example, if you're just feeding a prompt into a generator and uploading a video with a robotic voice and stock footage, your reach is going to tank. YouTube's new humanity filter prioritizes video with a unique personality. Use AI to help you search, but make sure you're the soul of the video. On the flip side, YouTube is giving us a legal way to use AI. AI likeness. This is a lifesaver for burnout. Example, imagine you're sick or just having a bad hair day. Now you can use your pre-verified AI avatar to film a shot of you. It uses your actual voice and face model to deliver your script. It's perfect for keeping your daily upload streak alive without being chained to a camera. Now, the biggest moneymaker, in-app shopping. Forget saying link in bio. That's dead. Example, if I'm reviewing the specific microphone, a small buy button will pop up right on your screen. You can click it, pay with Google Pay, and finish the purchase all while my video continues to play in the background. It's frictionless and it means way more affiliate commissions in your pocket. For my gamers and live vloggers, the auto highlight tool is a game changer. Editing an 8-hour stream used to be a nightmare. Now the second you hit end stream, YouTube's AI analyzes the chat spikes and the action to give you 5 or 6 ready to post shorts. Example, that epic win or a funny fail is automatically clipped and waiting in your drafts. No more manual cutting. Lastly, don't panic if your sub count drops this month. YouTube is running aggressive AI audits to wipe out bots. Example, if you had 500 ghost subscribers who never watched a single video, removing them actually helps you. Because now your click-through rate is based on real people who actually care, making the algorithm more likely to push your video to new audience. YouTube's new updates are rolling out region by region with a full global release by the end of 2026. The 2026 creator era is all about being real while using smart tools. But I want to know which of these do you want a step-by-step tutorial on first? Are we setting up your AI avatar or do you want to see how to enable in-app shopping? Drop a comment below with your choice. Don't forget to like this if you want more 2026 growth hacks. I'll see you in the next one.